User Options Exclude Column Headers from copied data. Here's a quick user options tip to save you time when copying and pasting to external locations. For example, if you want to copy all the information from a direct cost schedule grid in Expert Estimation to Excel or Word or any other application, here's what you can do. Once you are in the window you want to copy, press Ctrl-A to select all. Then press Ctrl-C to copy the data. Go to the destination program and then press Ctrl-V, and that will paste everything across. As you can see here, all of the column headings have been copied across as well. You have the option in Expert Estimation to either include or not include column headers in data copied from grids. To do this, go to File, Options, and then Workflow. Here, simply tick or untick the box to include column headers in data copied from grids, and click OK. If we untick the box and repeat the copy and paste process we did earlier, the information will paste across without the headings. It's one extra unit of work that you don't have to worry about. Workflow options are user settings and won't affect other people on the same server. It's one of the many easy ways to customize Expert Estimation and help streamline your estimating workflow. To find out more about this feature, have a look at the relevant links provided in the description box below. Our in-house customer support specialists are here to help you 24/7 every day of the year.